How to log into Metlife provider account. What is up everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily log into your Metlife account. First of all, go ahead and search for Metlife on your web browser and then hit enter. Now you'll find metlife.com. Go ahead and open up this link and you'll land on the official website. So all you need to do here is find the login icon at the top right corner, right besides the search, and then click on it. Now you'll be taken to this page. So if you want to log into your personal account or business account or a broker account, you can choose from here. And if you are a first-time user, you can just click here to register for a new account. Now simply go ahead and click on login and you'll be taken directly to the login portal. Now on this page, you're just going to have to provide the username that's connected to your account and simply enter the password. If you want to view the password, click on this eye icon to show password. And in case you've forgotten your username, click on this link right here. They will help you recover your username by entering your email address. They'll send you a reset link to your email address. Do the same thing if you forgot your password. You're going to have to enter your username. They'll send you the reset link on your email. So if your login credentials are correct, you should be easily able to log into your account. And if you are having trouble, you can click on I can't log in, then you'll find the possible reasons why you're not able to log into your account. That's how you basically log into your Metlife provider account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.